Have you ever noticed how your body sometimes whispers warnings instead of shouting them? For many people over 60, kidney health quietly changes over time, and you might not even realize it. Fatigue, subtle swelling, or slight shifts in urination often go unnoticed. But these are early signals that your kidneys could use a little extra support. Most people think kidney problems only happen suddenly, but research suggests that decline is often slow, silent, and cumulative. What if the drinks you choose every day could make a real difference in how your kidneys function, how your energy feels, and even how your body balances fluids and electrolytes? Before we go further, please note the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise, medication, or lifestyle, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Do not disregard professional medical advice based on the content of this video. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Hydration isn't just about filling a glass of water. Studies indicate that certain natural drinks, rich in antioxidants, gentle electrolytes, or mild alkalinity, may interact with kidney function in ways that help maintain filtration, support blood vessel health, and reduce microscopic inflammation that quietly accumulates over time. What most people don't realize is that these beverages aren't just refreshing, they are small, daily tools that may support kidney resilience and senior wellness in ways we often overlook. I often see seniors reach for sugary drinks or highly processed beverages thinking they're harmless, but research suggests these choices subtly challenge kidney efficiency. The good news is that nature offers simple alternatives that can work quietly alongside your body's natural processes. So as we move forward, we will go into detail about these drinks, the ones that may gently support your kidneys' hydration and overall health while keeping your daily life simple and enjoyable. Number one, silent decline. Kidney stress often goes unnoticed. Many people experience a gradual shift in how their bodies function after 60, and kidneys are no exception. What's really happening here is subtle, a slow reduction in filtering efficiency that rarely produces dramatic symptoms at first. You might notice mild fatigue at the end of the day, a little swelling in the ankles, or changes in urination that seem minor. Most seniors dismiss these as normal aging, but research suggests that these small signs can indicate early kidney stress, even in otherwise healthy adults. The kidneys are remarkable organs, filtering roughly 50 gallons of blood every single day, balancing electrolytes and regulating fluid volume. But after decades of constant work, tiny inefficiencies accumulate. What most people don't realize is that the kidney's ability to adapt diminishes over time. Nephrons, the tiny filtering units, gradually lose some capacity, and the remaining nephrons have to work harder. This extra workload can quietly influence blood pressure, toxin clearance, and even energy metabolism throughout the body. I often see seniors surprised when lab tests reveal early kidney changes, even when they feel fine. This underscores a key point: kidney stress doesn't always announce itself. The body can mask subtle declines, compensating in ways that feel normal until a tipping point is reached. Understanding this silent process helps frame why small, consistent supportive measures like mindful hydration, nutrient-rich beverages, and awareness of dietary factors can make a meaningful difference in maintaining resilience, supporting vascular health, and preserving overall well-being over the years. Number two, hydration beyond water. Beverages influence kidney function. Many seniors assume that staying hydrated is simply a matter of drinking enough water. But what most people don't realize is that the type of beverages you choose can influence kidney health in significant ways. The kidneys aren't just passive filters. They actively balance electrolytes, regulate fluid levels, and respond to the chemical makeup of everything you drink. Research suggests that certain natural beverages, those rich in antioxidants, mild alkalinity, or gentle electrolytes, may support kidney filtration and help maintain vascular tone, whereas sugary or highly processed drinks can subtly increase strain over time. I often see older adults reach for sweetened drinks, thinking they're harmless hydration, only to notice gradual changes in energy, blood pressure, or fluid retention. What's really happening here is a cellular conversation. Your kidneys respond to the compounds in your drinks, adjusting filtration rates, influencing hormone signaling, and managing electrolytes in ways that affect overall well-being. Studies indicate that beverages like herbal infusions, unsweetened fruit teas, and mineral-rich water can gently support these processes, promoting better hydration while reducing microscopic inflammation and oxidative stress. This is the part that changes everything. Hydration is not just quantity, it's quality. By being mindful of what we drink, seniors can provide their kidneys with subtle, ongoing support that aligns with the body's natural rhythms. Over time, these choices can influence not only fluid balance, but also energy levels, vascular health, and the body's ability to clear toxins efficiently. Small, intentional shifts in daily beverage habits may quietly reinforce kidney resilience and overall senior wellness. Number three, everyday choices affect cellular health. Many seniors don't realize that seemingly small daily choices, like the beverages you consume, can have a profound impact on your kidneys at the cellular level. What's really happening here is that your kidneys constantly respond to the compounds and nutrients in your drinks, adjusting filtration rates, hormone signaling, and electrolyte balance. Over time, even subtle stressors can accumulate, influencing energy, vascular health, and toxin clearance. Most people think that only major lifestyle changes make a difference, but research suggests that integrating certain natural drinks into your routine may support kidney function quietly and consistently. Drinks rich in antioxidants, mild alkalinity, and gentle electrolytes interact with the kidneys in ways that reduce oxidative stress and microscopic inflammation. This is the part that changes everything. It's not about drastic measures, it's about consistent, mindful choices that reinforce the body's natural resilience. I often see older adults surprised by lab results when they had felt healthy, and it underscores the truth that kidney health often hides behind the scenes. By selecting beverages that provide subtle cellular support, like unsweetened herbal teas, lightly infused fruit waters, or mineral-rich water, you may help your kidneys maintain their efficiency and reduce the tiny stressors that accumulate over time. What most people don't realize is that these small adjustments ripple outward, influencing more than just filtration. Energy, fluid balance, and even vascular tone are all affected. Everyday choices, repeated day after day, quietly build resilience, supporting senior wellness in a way that feels natural, sustainable, and deeply connected to how our bodies are designed to function. Number four, sugar and sodium are hidden kidney stressors. Many seniors think that occasional sugar or salt in their drinks and meals is harmless, but what most people don't realize is how subtly these compounds can challenge kidney function over time. The kidneys are constantly balancing electrolytes, regulating blood pressure, and filtering toxins, and excess sugar or sodium can quietly increase this workload. Research indicates that chronic exposure to high sugar and sodium, common in soft drinks, sweetened teas, or processed beverages, can contribute to fluid retention, vascular strain, and even low-grade inflammation that accumulates over the years. I often see older adults surprised when lab results reveal early kidney stress, even though they feel fine. What's really happening here is that your kidneys compensate for these hidden stressors by working harder, adjusting filtration rates and hormone signaling to maintain balance. While the body can handle occasional spikes, repeated exposure to high sugar and sodium subtly accelerates decline. This is the part that changes everything. Small, mindful adjustments in what you drink can reduce this hidden burden. Beverages like unsweetened herbal teas, lightly infused fruit waters, or mineral-rich water provide hydration without adding extra sugar or sodium, giving your kidneys the space to function efficiently. Studies suggest that these choices may support electrolyte balance, reduce microscopic inflammation, and even help maintain healthier blood pressure. Senior wellness isn't about strict restriction, it's about creating patterns that reinforce resilience. By recognizing sugar and sodium as hidden stressors, you can make everyday beverage choices that quietly support kidney health, energy, and overall well-being over time. Number five, small, consistent choices build long-term resilience. Many seniors assume that supporting kidney health requires drastic changes or complicated interventions. But what most people don't realize is that the daily habits we cultivate quietly shape long-term resilience. The kidneys are continuously filtering blood, regulating electrolytes, and managing fluid balance, and small, consistent actions can influence how efficiently they perform these essential functions. Research suggests that integrating kidney-supportive beverages into everyday routines, whether herbal teas, mineral-rich water, or unsweetened fruit infusions, may help reduce microscopic inflammation, support vascular tone, and maintain hydration in a way that feels natural and sustainable. I often see older adults underestimate the impact of small, repeated choices. What's really happening here is cumulative Each glass of a kidney-friendly drink interacts with your body at the cellular level, helping the kidneys maintain their filtration efficiency, regulate electrolytes, and quietly reduce stress on blood vessels. Over time, these subtle interventions can reinforce resilience, boost energy, and support overall senior wellness, all without demanding major lifestyle overhauls. This is the part that changes everything. By consistently choosing drinks that work with your body, you're giving your kidneys the tools to function optimally day after day, year after year. It's a reminder that health is not built in a single moment, but through thoughtful, everyday habits that honor your body's natural rhythms. If you've found this insight helpful and want more practical senior health tips delivered in a way that respects your body and time, make sure to subscribe to the channel. You won't want to miss what's coming next in supporting your healthiest years.